Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to use Google Classroom and how to make sure that you are submitting your assignments correctly. When you go to Google Classroom, the easiest way to do it is click in your address bar and type in classroom.google.com. When you do that, you will see a home page that shows you any classes you are enrolled in. For our particular course, we're in EDU 270, so we would click on that classroom. All assignments in EDU 270 will be listed under Classwork. So click on Classwork, and your assignments will be organized by units. We are almost done with Unit 1, so you can see Unit 1 had 2 posts. When the next unit has become active, it will appear below the previous unit, and the posts will show there. When you're working on an assignment, click on the post, read the directions carefully, and then click View Assignment. Notice when I open View Assignment, on the right-hand side, there is a box that says Your Work. Some assignments will have a document that you click on to open and complete. This is your document. Some assignments won't have a document, but will have a button that say Add or Create. When I click on this, you can see the items that you can add. Sometimes I ask you to share a link or a file with me, and so this is where you would do that. If I have a document for you to complete, often that's the way I will do it. It will be a Google Doc. The directions will be inside the Google Doc, and your work will be at the bottom of the Google Doc. When you are done with the assignment, what you do is right where this button says Mark as Done, it will say Turn In. You need to make sure you click the Turn In button so that I see you have completed the assignment. That's it. I hope that this tutorial made sense for you and you are able to feel comfortable using Google Classroom.